What is something that rich kids do that shocked you? My lab partner wore the same faded backpack for 4 years, despite her family owning half the city. I never understood why, until the day her mother showed up at our science fair. Emma was Westlake Prep's resident genius. Perfect grades, guaranteed MIT future. Despite her family's wealth, her father's company logo was on our school building. She carried this ancient backpack held together with safety pins and duct tape. Kids teased her relentlessly. Did you find that in a dumpster? Or is your trust fund only for college? Our science project won first place at the state fair. Emma's mother arrived in a chauffeur-driven Bentley wearing jewelry that probably cost more than my parents' house. The moment she spotted Emma's backpack, her face twisted. I told you to throw that disgusting thing away, she hissed. What will people think? Emma clutched it tighter. Her mother yanked it away, splitting one side open. Contents spilled across the floor. Notebooks, pens, and dozens of small envelopes. Each envelope was addressed to different teachers at our sister school in the city's poorest district. Inside was cash and a note for classroom supplies. Please don't tell anyone. Her mother was livid. This is where my credit card charges have been going? You've been stealing from me to give handouts? Emma finally snapped. Your donations all go to buildings with your name on them. These teachers are buying basic supplies with their own money. It turned out the ugly backpack belonged to her nanny's son, who died of cancer after Emma's billionaire parents refused to cover his treatment.